I got a copyright, and my lawyer says that you have to pay me if you want to record.
Send me the bill.
Okay, guys, and then cenote comes from the Mayan word Cenote. That means holy pit, okay? But when the Spaniards first came to the peninsula, they couldn't pronounce Cenote. So the word slowly deformed to cenote. And now we know as cenote, we have a collapse in the ceiling of the system, okay? So just the hole, just the entrance that takes you to the underground river system, that is the cenote. Okay?
Nice.
And that's why you won't find two cenotes identical, because the shape of the cenote is just determined by the kind of collapse, okay? Today we're gonna do two different cenotes. The first one is gonna be a closed cenote, and the second one is gonna be an open cenote. The only difference between those two is that the first one is gonna be a small entrance to the river system, and the second one, it's a place already where a bigger portion of the ceiling collapsed, okay? The owner of the property, it's called Hilario,
Okay.
and that used to be his well.
Oh.
And the second one, it's called La Gloria.
La Gloria. So the two options of going to the cenotes, I did both options and I'll tell you the better version. Going with the tour, so this tour I found on Viator, I'll put the link in my info. Two cenotes and a swim with turtles cost around $60-$70. Better option is just go to the cenotes yourself. I went to the cenotes myself. It's about $5 entrance. Way better option. Depending where your hostel is or your hotel is, some of the cenotes are even like a 5-minute bike ride or 10-minute walk. So just do the research of which ones you want to go to and just make your way there yourself and find out the entrance fee. Saves, and you can spend as much time as you want there versus being on a schedule with a tour leader and a whole bunch of people. And you can go by yourself too, so there's no crowds. Go early in the morning so there's no tours, and you can take all your pictures with nobody interrupting your Instagram selfies. Well, there's no mermaids here, so that's good. Between the two, I definitely prefer La Gloria. The first one is dark, damp, you can see in the video. Not fun. Like, there's nothing fun about it. It's cool because it's underwater, but it's not fun. Mosquitoes everywhere. La Gloria is outdoor. The water is so nice. There's a swing. Way better vibe. Way better vibe. So between those two, La Gloria definitely the better option. This is me attempting to do a swing and I failed, clearly. Don't watch that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. More videos to come on Tulum and my next travels in general. Thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe also. Enjoy.